Hello guys, introducing the Blackview BL9000 Pro, the rugged smartphone redefined durability and innovation. With its cutting-edge thermal imaging camera, you can explore the world like never before, spotting wildlife and detecting heat signatures with ACE. Equipped with a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8028 processor and massive 12GB of RAM, it delivers lightning-fast performance for all your tasks. And with 5G capability, you'll stay connected at the blazing speeds wherever you go. Plus, with the Harman Audio FX speakers and a stunning 120Hz refresh rate display, your entertainment experience will be impressive and the clips are clear. Not to mention its MIL STD810H, IP68 and IP69K certifications ensures that it can withstand even the harshest environments. And thanks to its rapid 120-watt charging, you'll spend less time plugging and more time adventuring. Discover the ultimate combination of toughness and technology with the BL9000 Pro from today onwards. In the link below this video there is also a promotional price. Hurry up and grab your Blackview BL9000 Pro today. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.